How to fix horizontal lines on Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing your such issue where your Android device home screen is allotted with horizontal lines, then first thing what you can do is just head over to your device's settings, and under your device's settings scroll all the way down until you see the option that is software update, and check if there's any update available. And if there is any update available, you can simply tap on the update button to successfully update the application, that is your Android version. And once you do that, another thing what you can also do is just come back to your navigation bar or your notification center right over here, and simply try disabling the dark mode and enabling it once again, and it might also fix your issue regarding the temporary screen horizontal lines, if it's causing from the different light modes. But if that's not working, both of those methods are not working for you, then it might be the hardware related issue. So you need to check out your or reach out to your customer care support for your mobile device, to your nearest place, and tell them about your display. So your display might be broken. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.